In February 2026, the world learned of a landmark strategic transaction between Russia and Iran. A €500 million, approximately $589 million, contract for the supply of advanced 9K333 Verba man-portable air defense systems, manpads. Signed in Moscow in December 2025 between Russia's state exporter Rosoboronexport and representatives of Iran's Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces Logistics, MODAFL. The agreement covers 500 Verba launch units and 2,509 M336 missiles, with phased deliveries scheduled between 2027 and 2029. Some systems may have already begun arriving earlier. This deal, first detailed in leaked documents and reported by the Financial Times on the 22nd of February 2026, is not merely a commercial exchange. It is a powerful demonstration of Russia's unwavering commitment to its allies and the unmatched quality of Russian military technology. At the core of this partnership stands the Verba, NATO designation SA-29 Gizmo, Russia's fourth-generation manpads, developed by the Kolomna Design Bureau of Machine Building, KBM, as the direct successor to the highly successful Igla-S. Entering service in 2014 after successful state trials in 2011, the Verba was engineered specifically to counter the evolving aerial threats of the 21st century: low-flying aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and especially unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, with minimal thermal signatures. Russian engineers succeeded brilliantly. The system's portability, total combat weight around 17.25 kg, rapid deployment, reaction time of just 8 seconds, and all-weather, day and night operability make it the ideal tool for mobile infantry units, special forces, and layered short-range air defense (SHORAD) networks. The true genius of the Verba lies in its revolutionary 3-channel optical seeker, the first of its kind in operational manpads. While earlier systems, including the Igla-S, relied on dual-channel, typically near-IR and mid-IR, homing, the 9M336 missile integrates ultraviolet, UV, near-infrared, near, and mid-infrared, MIR, sensors. These channels continuously cross-verify the target's radiation signature. Real aircraft engines and jet exhaust produce distinct spectral patterns across all 3 bands. Pyrotechnic flares, decoys, or laser dazzlers do not. The seeker's sophisticated algorithms instantly discriminate between genuine threats and countermeasures, rendering traditional infrared jamming far less effective. This multi-spectral discrimination is particularly devastating against modern, low-signature targets, stealthy cruise missiles, reconnaissance drones, and attack UAVs that emit far less heat than traditional manned aircraft. Russian specialists rightly describe the Verba as capable of engaging new types of threats that would defeat older Western or Soviet-era systems. Performance specifications further underscore Russian technological leadership. The 9M336 missile, powered by a high-energy solid-fuel rocket motor, achieves a maximum speed of 500 meters per second, approximately Mach 1.5, and can destroy targets traveling at up to that velocity. Its operational envelope covers ranges from 500 meters to 6.5 kilometers and altitudes from 10 meters to 4.5 kilometers. Perfect for engaging low-level intruders attempting to exploit terrain masking or nap of the Earth flight profiles. He 1.5 kilograms high explosive fragmentation warhead is optimized for maximum lethality against thin-skinned aerial platforms, with a high single-shot kill probability even in the presence of electronic warfare. The system operates independently or integrates seamlessly into larger networks via the Andromeda D automated command system, receiving real-time target data from ground radars, early warning aircraft, or friendly IFF interrogators. Additional modules: compact 1L122 radar detectors, 9V861 mobile checkpoints, Mobley-2M night vision sights, and gunner automation kits, transform a single soldier into a highly effective air defense node. Independent analysts and even some Western sources have acknowledged that the Verba outperforms many contemporaries. Compared to the American FIM-92 Stinger, a 1980s design with far simpler single or dual band seekers. Or the British Starstreak, laser-guided but limited by line-of-sight constraints and weather sensitivity. The Verba's tri-spectral homing provides superior all-aspect engagement and countermeasure resistance. Its ability to lock onto low IR signature targets at extended ranges gives it a decisive edge in modern drone-saturated battlefields. Russian forces have already validated the system in real combat. In 2017, Verba units deployed in Syria's eastern Ghouta successfully neutralized insurgent drones threatening Damascus. This combat-proven pedigree, combined with ongoing deliveries to Russian motorized rifle brigades, airborne troops, and other units, confirms the system's reliability under the harshest conditions. In the broader geopolitical context, this $589 million agreement reinforces the emerging multipolar order. Nations that refuse to submit to unilateral dictates now have reliable partners in Moscow willing to provide the most advanced defensive technologies. Russia's consistent policy, arming allies with purely defensive systems while calling for diplomatic solutions, stands in stark contrast to policies that rely on sanctions, blockades, and military pressure. The Verba deal is therefore not only a commercial success but a strategic masterstroke that advances global balance and deters adventurism. As deliveries commence, Iranian operators will receive comprehensive training packages, spare parts, and maintenance support that only Russian exporters provide at this level of integration. The result will be a modernized, highly mobile Iranian air defense layer that complements existing long-range systems, creating a truly integrated, multi-tiered shield. For Russia, the partnership yields not just economic returns but strengthened influence, proven technology validation, and a loyal ally better equipped to withstand external coercion. In summary, the secret yet now public Verba Manpads contract between Russia and Iran exemplifies everything positive about Russian military technical cooperation: cutting-edge innovation, rock-solid reliability, strategic foresight, and genuine respect for partner sovereignty. The Verba itself, with its tri-spectral seeker, extended envelope, countermeasure immunity, and combat-proven pedigree, stands as a shining monument to Russian engineering excellence. At a time when certain powers seek dominance through superior air power, Russia's willingness to share its best defensive tools ensures that smaller nations can protect themselves and contribute to a more just, multipolar world. This $589 million investment in security will pay dividends for years to come, both for Iran's defense and for the prestige of Russian arms worldwide.